Let's pretend for one moment that this is a secret mad scientist's laboratory, and I am the mad scientist. However, being a mad scientist, I cannot go without my white coat. Unfortunately, it has gone missing. Today, I am going to create the Frankenstein tube man thing, like these that you've seen many a place before. But Frankenstein! The materials I have chosen for this creation are a fan that will supply the life juice or the life air, some tablecloths from a Dollar Tree. I believe this is parchment paper, also from Dollar Tree. Some Velcro to hold them together. I'm sure I could use a flat iron, an iron like you iron your clothes with. This is a wood burner kind of tool, but I'm going to use it to sew seams together. Scissors, and I think that is all for now. It's alive! It's alive! Not yet. This is just his half. Lower half. But wait a second. We want the coat to kind of overlap a little bit to look like it's below the pants. So, how about we say 48? That sounds like a good number, right? Oh, okay. For the jacket, there are two different styles. There's a regular jacket that's opened, not buttoned, that would be straight, and then have a white or whatever color you choose undershirt, or do the jacket at a V to make them look a little more proper. But I have decided that we're going to just do it open, kind of thing. So, keep it open. So, 48 inches is our length. We're going to go ahead and cut that right now. Okay, we're getting real scientific up in here. I looked up the Da Vinci chart and everything to make sure my measurements were kind of accurate.
Da Vinci chart?
Yeah, man. The thing.
Oh.
The thing. So your wingspan is as long as your height, so we're kind of going along that. But it's Frankenstein, so it doesn't really matter, but I'm not trying to have a gimp arm or gangly arms. Trying to be kind of accurate, but it is a Frankenstein, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so what I have done then, I have cut out, okay, hold on, I gotta explain. So the whole length that we have so far from his legs and his torso are both 48 inches long, which 48 times 2 is 96. That's the whole length of the arm. So we're making his arm about 48 inches long as well. However, what I have done here, I want to make sure 48 divided by 2 is 24. So each arm piece is going to be 24 inches long, giving the circumference of the circle a 12-inch radius. Math. So this is both arms. I just have to cut them. That's where we're at. So here is each arm. Arm, not including the hand. So before we circumference it, make it into a circle, we have to get 5 inches-ish worth of hand out here. Igor, we have rats. Get rid of them.
Yes, master. Yes, master.
Poor kitty. Alright, so I've gotten boxes of Velcro. In each box there's like both sides of the Velcro kind of thing. What I think will work better is if you like kind of hold this and go around with me as I keep it.
Yes,
I see lightning. I hear thunder. It is time. It is alive! It works, it works, it works! He's alive! He's alive! an estimated cost to create this marvelous creation. $1 for the black tablecloth, $1 for the purple and the white and the green, and then leftover black. So black, white, purple, green, $4. The fan was $30 from Amazon. The Velcro was like $1, $2. And the, hot wood burning tool was like $12, but I already had that, so technically we're looking at under $40. So I put a LED like touch light thing that is remote activated inside of, on top of the fan, to give him a little glow so you can see him at night. I wanted it to change colors, but I don't think you can see very well. Yeah. Maybe if I had a more powerful like purple light or something, that would look really cool. But I mean, that still looks great, I think. Alright, well that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and my craziness. I'll see you next time.